Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be showing you some home decor items that we have recently purchased that are fairly affordable. So we've been doing a little bit of remodeling. So for example, we just redid our upstairs bathroom. And I've also just been trying to, get some new things to like freshen up our home. Sometimes you just get sick of having the same old thing. So actually pretty much everything we've gotten has been fairly reasonable or very cheap. So I thought it'd be kind of a different, cool video to show you guys. So yeah, if you're interested to see some of our new home decor items, then keep on watching. So I thought I would start off by showing you what you may have noticed in my videos is my new kind of backdrop. So same three shelves that I've always had up here, but I pretty much redid everything that was on them. I wanted to clean it up a bit, keep it a little bit more simple. So almost everything you see on here is actually from Urban Planet. So if you don't know what Urban Planet is, it's sort of a combination of the store's Sirens, Stitches, I think it's those three, and they kind of combine it. So one thing that I haven't really paid attention to before until recently was their home decor section, and they have some pretty decent stuff and very affordable. If stuff is ever not very affordable, and when I say that I just mean like close to $20, so still affordable, but for me, I'm pretty cheap, so I will wait. So they have sales all the time. So for example, when I bought pretty much all of the stuff that I'm going to show you that's from Urban Planet in this video, almost everything I got was buy one get one free, or sorry, buy one get one $1, or I think one day that I bought some things, it was like 60% off the entire store. So you end up getting that much more of a discount. So I'll start off with this little frame. I thought this was really cute and just like a good message, collect moments, not things. So just kind of like, pretty self-explanatory, but I think in today's world, especially on YouTube in general, we can get a little bit distracted with the idea of having more and more and more. So when I saw this, I thought it'd be cute to put in the background of my videos just to kind of give the little reminder. So two other things that I purchased from Urban Planet, so this is one of them. It's basically a candle. You can't really tell it's a candle when I have it up here, but I just thought it was cute. This little silver, it's glass, and it has kind of a rubbed off finish, so just to add a little something extra. This candle here is actually a gift I got for my birthday from some of my girlfriends. This I think is actually from Indigo, so I can't give you pricing on this, but I just threw it up here. It smells amazing. It's like a cinnamon spice candle. These shelves, by the way, were from Wayfair. I believe it was Wayfair. I will try to link what I can below, but just so you guys are aware, some of these items, especially the ones from Urban Planet, will be hard for me to link because it's one of those stores where they kind of put something up and when it sells out, it's gone and they bring something back. So they are sometimes on there for a decent amount of time, but it just might be hard to link these exact things, but at least you can kind of get an idea of stuff that they have, and they do have some pretty trendy items on there. So these next two shelves, also everything on here is from Urban Planet. So again, I have another one of those candles. So this one's more of a rose gold copper one. And I just thought that that was cute, kind of to add a little extra color. Another candle here, Love is Love. This one actually smells pretty good. And sorry, that's from actually, I had flower pots up here before, and I didn't really realize that it was going to rub off. So this is trying to hide that. And then this is one of my favorite things that I got because I feel like it is I don't know, I don't think it looks super fake. I love greenery, and you guys would have noticed that previously I had kind of plants all over in the back, but it was very hard to keep them alive because I can't keep my drape open all the time. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get a fake one, and this one is really cool. I just really like it. It's also, again, from Urban Planet, and I just think it adds the perfect amount of little greenery in the background. So this is actually now in our bathroom, so there might be a bit of an echo, but I don't want to show you the entire bathroom right now just because I think I might want to show you guys in like a little clip the before and after of the entire thing, but I just thought I'd show you some more items that relate to this video. So this potted plant, again, is from Urban Planet, and this is like fairly heavy. This has a lot of weight to it, and again, I did not pay more than $10 for that. This is also from Urban Planet. It's a little infusion, so this actually smells really good. I'll have to try to link the smell below. It's just the scented oil down here and then the sticks that help spread the aroma. This hand soap I think is also from Indigo, so this is one other thing that I apologize. I'll see if I can find it, but this is from my girlfriend's part of my shower gift as well. And if we just turn the camera, this candle over here again is from Urban Planet. So again, super affordable. You can kind of see the theme I'm going with here. That's actually like a rose gold copper again, and I just think it's a really nice accent. And then this is another candle that I got from Urban Planet that I thought kind of matched our countertop here very well. And again, has that copper rose gold lid. This one smells so good. So yes, I have lots of candles, I know. One thing I will say about this one that I found a little frustrating is this label here actually went all the way across the top. And you can kind of see that because I cannot for the life of me get it off. And it is very sticky and kind of spread around. I'm feeling like once we get it on a shelf where I want it, you're not really going to notice, but that's one thing I would say out of everything I bought that was kind of disappointing. I guess I should have just like left it on there with the thought that I will never use it, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know how practical that is either. So this trash can is another thing I got for the bathroom, again from Urban Planet. You can see with the same theme, it has the rose gold copper top. So I just thought, again, it kind of brings out that color and super affordable. So this here is a picture that we got that goes with the whole room, so you can kind of see where I was getting my whole copper rose gold color ideas from. So this here we found at HomeSense. So HomeSense, Winners, and Marshalls all carry the same sort of things. And this is a fairly large photo. So like I'll kind of reach across and you can get an idea of how large this is. This was $29.99. So we are super excited about this purchase. It's kind of bringing out all the other accents. So we're now back in my kitchen, and these are some new purchases for me that I actually got from Walmart. So these 3 containers, so I've been using them for pasta, but you can use them for whatever you'd like, all came together and they were only $22. So one thing I can say is if you do want to find something similar that's even cheaper is after I was at Walmart and already purchased these, I noticed very similar containers at Dollarama, so obviously much cheaper. But I feel like for the 4 containers, the nice stainless steel look, and for only $22, that's still very reasonable. So here's another extremely affordable, cute little fake plant that is actually from Dollarama. So this bad boy was like $2. And I put them on our mantle, so I actually have 2 of these on either side. And I just think it makes it look, I don't know, I love the idea of a pop of color, especially because you guys, whoops, may have noticed that my house is very plain. You can kind of get an idea of how cute they look and the little bit of green that they do bring, and they have a lot more. So again, I can't guarantee that you'll find these exact ones there now, but they always have some sort of like faux plants, and I just think they're super cute. And one of the last things I have to show you guys is in our laundry room, so apologize the lighting's not great, but this was again from Dollarama, and it's actually plastic. But it looks, oh gosh, I quickly just put that up. It's literally hanging on the wall by a tag, but it's very light. I mean, from afar you would have no idea how cheap it is, but it just adds a little something. So again, this is just like our laundry room here. Yeah, this is again another Dollarama find. Hey guys, so I was actually just editing my video and I realized that I didn't do an outro. So I'm outside editing and I also realized that there's some more items here that I could add to this video. So let me just turn this around. So here are a few more items that are super affordable. Everything you see here I got from Dollar Tree. So this little cute glass it's like a cracked glass candle with this circle candle inside is from Dollar Tree. Both of those items were $1. This cool little, I mean it's cheap, but I think it's cool. What is that, like a hexagon shape candle holder and the tea light, also from Dollar Tree. In this vase and that like fake plant, also from Dollar Tree. I just threw some like beans inside of there to help hold it down so that it doesn't blow over with the wind. And I just think that little things like this on this outdoor like table we have here just make it like, I don't know, they just kind of like dresses it up a bit. So these are the last few items. Oh, right about this little guy that I also got from Dollar Tree. Okay, that pretty much sums up all of the new items that I've gotten in the last month or so, just to kind of amp up the home and just get some new things, you know, that change the look slightly and make you feel good, and for a great price. So I know I didn't mention, oh my god, a breath, I just had to chase Kai around. I know I didn't mention a lot of the actual pricing here in the video, but I'm going to find what I can and link it down below. The problem is with a lot of the Urban Planet items is because a lot of them were purchased when I did the buy one, get one for $1. I don't really know, and I don't just want to guess and be totally wrong when I'm putting the pricing. But again, this is just more or less to try to give you an idea. I know it can be really hard when you're trying to say you're in a new apartment or a new home and you need to decorate. It can get very pricey, I know. So I just wanted to show you guys some affordable, decent alternatives than going to your more expensive stores. So I hope you guys found it useful. Let me know in the comments if you did and if you like these kinds of videos, and I'll make sure that I can do them more often for you guys. So thank you as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.